There is a new sheriff in town and we have to talk about him. Or it. I honestly cannot believe my eyes these days when I look at Nairobi power bikes, and it genuinely shocks me every single time when I see what's happening. I remember just a few months ago everyone was scrambling for the Voge 525 DSX, but lately every time I visit our trusted dealership here in Nairobi, the floor is dominated by the new beast in town, the Voge DS625 or the Voge 625 DSX. And the stock is flying off the shelves faster than they can even clear them from the port. It is actually crazy to witness just how quickly Kenyans or Kenyan riders are upgrading to this new machine. And it really speaks volumes about how hungry our market has been for a bike that bridges the gap between a beginner adventure bike and a high-end liter class tourer. Before we dive deep into why this specific motorcycle is the most talked about arrival in Kenya right now, I have to take a serious moment to pause and say a massive heartfelt thank you to every single one of you watching. We just hit 6,000 subscribers, which might look like just a number on the screen to some, but to me, it's a wonderful milestone that represents 6,000 real human beings who trust my voice and love bikes just as much as I do. I'm deeply humbled by your support and the time you spend here. If you're watching this right now and you haven't clicked that button yet, please subscribe so we can keep growing this amazing community of bike lovers together. We are building something special here and I want you to be a part of the family. Now let's get back into the belly of the beast and let's talk about the Voge 625 DSX, a motorcycle that I truly believe is undisputed king of value in the Kenyan market today. This is a serious upgrade. Under the tank, you now have a potent 581cc parallel twin engine that pumps a massive 63 horsepower. That is a significant jump from the 47 horsepower of the previous model, giving you serious overtaking power on the highway. The engine now features a 270-degree crankshaft, which gives it the deep rumbling V-twin character and sound that we all love, replacing the sewing machine hum of the older models. In terms of durability and handling, the bike comes equipped with fully adjustable KYB suspension front and rear, allowing you to dial in perfectly for Nairobi speed bumps or the rough trails of Magadi. The braking system by Nissan is sharp and reliable, paired with switchable ABS that lets you slide the rear wheel while you hit the dirt. One of the craziest features that blows my mind is the technology. It comes with a built-in HD front camera, essentially a factory-installed dashcam, right out of the box, along with a beautiful 7-inch TFT screen that handles turn-by-turn navigation. You get tubeless cross-spoke wheel 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, wrapped in premium Metzeler Tourance tires, meaning you are ready for adventure the moment you leave the showroom. When you look at the price tag of around 1.3 million shillings compared to competitors like the Yamaha Tenere 700 or Suzuki V-Strom, which cost nearly double that, the value proposition is undeniable. China has not just caught up with the Voge 625 DSX, they are aggressively challenging the status quo, proving that you can have premium performance, German-level engineering. Remember Loncin, which builds engines for BMW, and high-end tech without bankrupting yourself. This brings me to a deep point of reflection, and I often find myself feeling incredibly grateful to be a biker in such a wonderful period in Kenya motorcycling history. We are living in a golden age where the industry is growing fast, and we finally have a machine like the Voge 625 DSX that offers real power and capabilities to the average rider. Gone are the days where we are forced to choose between underpowered commuter bikes or 20-year-old used imports that were expensive to maintain. The fact that many Kenyans are joining the trend is heartwarming. You see the riding groups growing, the Sunday morning meetups at petrol stations getting larger, and the brotherhood and sisterhood on the road becoming stronger every day. Because riders now have these high quality options, the dealers are fighting for our business with better service and spare parts availability, which is ultimately good for us consumers. It is a beautiful thing to see the motorcycle culture in Nairobi shifting from just a simple means of transport to a genuine lifestyle and passion, and having accessible high-performance machines like the Voge 625 available to us is fueling this fire even more. It gives people the freedom to explore our beautiful country, to travel to places like Turkana and Samburu with total confidence in their machine. We are lucky to be riding in these times, and we should enjoy every moment of this growth. Finally, I want to invite you to join this movement because we are just getting started. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the king of the midweight category and want to see more content about how we navigate the biking scene in Kenya, please smash that like button right now. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more Kenyan bikers who might be loving this advice. Also, I was looking at my analytics this morning and realized something that honestly surprised me. 85% of the people watching these videos are not actually subscribers. If you're one of them, I'm asking you nicely, please take a second to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's free for you, but it means the world to me and helps us keep the lights on and keep producing these honest, detailed reviews for you. Let's keep riding, keep exploring, and stay safe on those roads. See you in the next one.
I have the privilege of being the first Kenyan to ride the desert Voge DS6.